How to highlight text in Canva. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily highlight any text in Canva. But before we get started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. First thing you're going to have to do is open up any web browser you have. I'm currently using Google Chrome. And then from here, you're going to have to go ahead and simply search for canva.com. Hit enter. And once you've done that, your Canva will open up. Now you can click on a presentation tab to create a new design. And it will create a blank canvas for you. So what you need to do next is click on this text option on the left side of your screen. And once that is done, you can add a heading according to your choice. So let's just write highlighted text and then hit enter. So here is a text that I want to highlight on Canva. So what you're going to do next is head over to the effects tab. Click on this. And now you can choose different type of highlights. You're going to add a background like this. And you can change the color of the background. So scroll down and on the color, click on it. Now you can choose any color you want that you want to highlight on this. So let's say if I just choose this light green, now the text has been highlighted. And that's how you easily highlight a text on Canva. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'm going to see you on the next video.